Alrighty everybody, just got the FMU installed, about to give this thing a test drive and we're gonna see how this runs. This runs well. I'm gonna show you guys how I routed it. This exact model does not have a return fuel line that runs back to the gas tank, so I did a little loop-de-loop on my route here, so I'll show you that in a minute. Let's start this up and give this a test drive. Alright, here we go. Oops. Stage 2 clutch. Hard to keep it on, especially with a new turbo. All right, all right, all right. Check it out, everybody. Looks like I'm spraying fuel everywhere. This is how this thing looks. This is the Blocks Racing FMU. This goes to the vacuum port, so this could either go to the back of your intake manifold or it can go straight to the boost gauge. Boost, you can tee it off of the boost gauge. It just needs to read vacuum. This is going to be your fuel return line, and this is going to be the fuel runner feed line, so it goes straight to the regulator down there. So that's running great. I got the fuel going up, but this vehicle does not have a fuel return line set up. So I'm in the middle of trying to rerun this fuel return line to the tank. And then once we figure that out, right now I got a temporary hose. I was trying to start it, but as you can see, it's spraying fuel everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna order some more fuel line hoses, and then we're gonna finish this setup and give you guys a better update on this. All right, everybody, just got back from the second test drive. First test drive failed. I had to come back and rethink it, but I did come up with another plan. Here is the FMU. This top port from the Blocks Racing is going to go straight to the either it can go straight to the intake manifold, or it can go straight to the boost gauge. So I just teed mine off. I got mine going to the boost gauge, and then I also got it going teed off to the vacuum. Thanks to AD mechanic specialist, he gave me this here. Definitely helped out a lot. I was able to run 3 vacuums. I have options for 2 more. Those 2 gold tabs right there. If you look underneath them, I can run 2 more vacuums if I need. So this thing is running great. Definitely kind of zip tied everything up just for now. Give it a test run. Sounds really good, runs really good. I'm still having a little small misfire in cylinder 1. It's not as bad because I don't feel it as bad. So definitely the FMU helped whenever it's in boost. I checked the code. It says it's pending. It's not current. So I think it might have went away and then it came back. So I think as long as we're in boost, I think we're good. But when I'm not in boost, I might be running a little bit lean. So let's see here. Let me give a little rev for you guys. So here are the codes I got. This one is the one that's pending, cylinder 1 misfire, but these 2 are current. These are actually correct for sure. These 2 here, I don't have these plugged up. We're gonna go ahead and get this exhaust welded up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the O2 sensors popped in so we can get rid of that blinking light there. But yeah, not bad. Alrighty guys, so this top vacuum for the Blocks Racing FMU is going to go straight to your vacuum source. It can either go straight to the boost gauge, or it can run straight to the intake manifold in the back from a vent there. Let's see here, we have 2 lines here. So my setup is going to look a little bit different than a lot of other people's, because I did a little creative thinking here. This drain one, the one at the bottom of the Blocks FMU, this one does go back to your gas tank. So this one would run to the fuel return line, and then this one would just go straight to the regulator. So what I did, I went straight to the regulator, but I teed it off for my drain. Since this motor, the 2001 to 2005 Civics, they do not have a fuel return line. So what we did, I just looped it here, 3T'd it off there, and it runs right back into the regulator again, so it dumps double the fuel. Probably not a good idea, but I'm not running rich. I'm just running lean for some reason, so it's probably because of that misfire in cylinder 1. I'm gonna go ahead and get to rethinking on that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.